Amy Hluchyj here, and I just sold this house on Ventura Drive in Southwest Oakville. In just 6 days, we had 100 showings, 10 offers, and it sold for well over asking. Now let me tell you how we did it. Each home is unique, and it's my job to come in and create a personalized marketing plan for you. I invest my money in a few areas of your home to help update it and make it pop for the buyer. In this home, we decluttered and had it painted from top to bottom, giving a blank canvas for the buyer and bright photos for the MLS. Next, we swapped out 9 light fixtures to help update and define the rooms. With some new hardware, we took this 20-year-old kitchen and shaved off 10 years. And to top it all off, we had the whole house professionally staged. With the prep work done, we can capture the best photos possible and then move on to one of my best-selling features, the video. It's a chance to showcase the best parts of your home as well as the location. With so many buyers coming from out of town, we need to tell them about location, location, location. To top it all off, the buyer leaves with a 4-page feature sheet that's loaded with photos, recent updates, school info, floor plans, and so much more. It continues to sell your house in the car on their drive home. So give me a call today if you've been thinking of selling or if you're curious as to what your home could be worth. I can give you some tips to prepare your house, and together we'll get it sold for the best price possible. I'm Amy Hluchyj, and I look forward to talking to you soon.